Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you unpair guys your Wi-Fi network in your Realme phone. Guys, you want to unpair guys your Wi-Fi network in your Realme phone, so guys you can unpair it. And guys, now let's see how to unpair Wi-Fi network in our Realme phone guys. In this video guys, I will show you friends guys how can you unpair your Wi-Fi network. So first of all guys, open your phone settings. So guys, unpair your Wi-Fi network and guys click on your Wi-Fi setting. So which Wi-Fi network guys you have paired in your Realme phone, and guys you want to add guys some network, so guys you can add your network from here guys. So guys now guys we will unpair Wi-Fi. So guys right side guys tap here this icon, and guys you can say remove this network to unpair it. Then guys unpair, then guys this Wi-Fi will unpair, and when you will pair, then guys you will have to again enter password guys. We will of it. So I hope friends you understood how to unpair Wi-Fi network in a Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic guys. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.